If you have been lifting weights or doing random workouts and still feel like your body is not getting stronger, not getting firmer, and not moving better, this video is for you because I am going to show you how simple bodyweight movements can build more real muscle than many weight exercises when they are done the right way. By the end of this video, you will understand how to train your whole body using nothing but your own weight, how to avoid the common mistakes that waste effort, and how to feel your muscles working deeply without stressing your joints, which is something many people get wrong when they rely only on machines or heavy weights. Most people struggle because they think muscle comes from lifting heavier and heavier, but what actually builds muscle is tension, control, and proper movement. And that is where bodyweight exercises shine, when you know how to use them correctly. Let us start with one of the most misunderstood movements, the push-up. Many people feel push-ups only in their arms or shoulders, or they feel pain in their wrists, and that usually happens because the body is loose and the elbows flare out. The correct way is to tighten your core as if you are bracing for a gentle cough. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and lower yourself slowly while keeping the elbows slightly close to the body. When you push back up with control, you will feel your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core working together. And over time, this builds strong, balanced upper body muscle without stressing your joints. Next comes the pull-up, or any pulling movement you can do at home or in the gym. A common problem is swinging the body or pulling only with the arms, which turns this powerful exercise into a struggle. Instead, think about pulling your chest toward the bar or handles while squeezing your shoulder blades gently together, and move slowly enough that you stay in control. Even if you need assistance or an easier variation, this movement builds strong back muscles that support posture, protect the shoulders, and give the upper body a solid, powerful look. Now let us talk about squats, because many people do them but feel nothing in their legs or feel pressure in their knees. This usually happens when the movement is rushed or shallow. The key is to sit down slowly, as if you are lowering yourself onto a chair. Keep your chest tall, and push through your heels as you stand back up. When done with control, squats strengthen the thighs, hips, and glutes, while also training balance and stability, which is especially important as we get older or train at home without heavy weights. Another extremely effective movement is the dip, which many people skip because it looks hard. The mistake here is dropping too low, too fast, or letting the shoulders roll forward. The correct approach is to lower your body under control. Stop before you feel shoulder strain, and press back up while keeping your chest open and shoulders stable. This builds strong triceps and chest muscles, and teaches the body to control its own weight, which carries over into everyday strength. For the core, many people still do endless sit-ups and wonder why their stomach does not feel strong. A better option is the plank, or plank variations, where the mistake is holding the position with a relaxed belly or sagging hips. When you gently tighten your core and breathe calmly while holding the position, the deep muscles around your spine and abdomen become stronger, which supports better posture and safer movement in all other exercises. Finally, controlled leg raises or similar core movements help strengthen the lower abdominal area and hips, which many people neglect. The common mistake is swinging the legs, but the correct way is slow, controlled movement with steady breathing. This builds true core strength that protects the lower back and improves balance. What makes these exercises more powerful than weights is not magic, but control, full body tension, and progression. When you slow down, focus on form, and gradually make movements more challenging, your muscles have no choice but to adapt and grow stronger. If you stay consistent, respect your limits, and focus on quality instead of rushing, your body will become stronger, more stable, and more capable without needing heavy equipment. Try these movements regularly. Give your body time to adapt, and if this style of training makes sense to you, stay with the channel and train smart, because strength built safely always lasts longer.